Now suppose interviewer will ask next question. Can you explain your project? My answer, of course, sir. Let me explain. Basically, my project name is Code Sense. It is built using Node.js, TypeScript, Express, uh, database, MongoDB, Redis Cache. It accepts the code submission and returns the AI-driven analysis, including complexity, bugs, security vulnerabilities, and refactoring suggestions. A problem it's solving is that uh, many solo developers or junior developers often get less senior code review. Taking that point of view of solo developers and junior developers, I have built to help that kinds of developers so that they can review their codes easily by pasting their codes to get the bugs, vulnerabilities, complexity suggestions. Let's now talk about the architectures of this project. First, client will log in using their register user login and password. Then, after submitting, on clicking the submit button on the screen, it gets the request to the server, that is Express server. There, first the client will be authenticate uh, using the middleware authentication, where the candidate JWT token will be verified after successfully verifications of the uh, user. It will be passed. Uh, Basically, the client request will be passed to the security middleware, that is Helmet. Basically, Helmet add the security headers so that the normal web vulnerabilities cannot affect our services. After it goes to the middleware, the requested route. Uh, First, it will be check on the Redis cache whether the client previously searched the same code. If it is find on the cache, if it is cache hit, then response will be generated in less than 50 milliseconds. If it miss, then it will be sent to the uh, code review router, where API call LLM API call will be happen. Their API will be called with a structure prompt engineering. Here, a structure prompt engineering means AI will be review the code and generate the response in the structured manner. For example, in the JSON format, there will be key value pair. Uh, for example, if we have key like bugs, complexity, refactoring suggestions, each will be filled with the AI driven analysis with the line number, which line uh, have bugs, all of that in the structured JSON format. After generating the AI-driven analysis, it will be sent to the client, and it also catch to the Redis database, because if again a client paste same code, then it will not call the LLM API, because if we randomly call the LLM API, its cost will be increased, and we have to pay more for that. That the, one of the benefit of the Redis cache is also is that it reduce the time of the response. Basically, if we generally call the LLM API, it takes 2 to 3 seconds to generate the whole response. But if it is stored in the Redis cache, it will respond less than 50 milliseconds. And also, it saves our cost without calling the LLM's API again and again for the same code. So that's how the CodeSend project, that is AI powered code reviews backend system, I have built. Thank you. That's all for today. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you once again.